Student, today we will discuss the accounting mechanism, right? What the meaning of accounting mechanism? Basically, accounting mechanism, it refers to methods which we use to record the accounting informations. Actually, the methods of accounting basically depend on the type of organizations, right? So when just cash book and personal accounts are maintained, basically this is the incomplete system of accounting. When any organization maintains personal, real and nominal accounts, then this system is called complete system of accounting. ठीक है student? So when we maintain the personal account, I mean to say Ram account, Sham account, ICICI bank account, HDFC bank account, and when we maintain real account, that means when we maintain goods and asset accounts. Nominal account means when we maintain expenses and income accounts, then this is called complete system of accounting. Now we will discuss the accounting mechanism in detail. So accounting mechanism basically classified into three categories: single entry system, Indian system and double entry system, right? Firstly, we talk about single entry system. When only personal accounts are maintained, or when cash books only maintained under the impersonal accounts. That means there is no maintenance of real and nominal account, only cash book is maintained and personal account is maintained, then this system is called a single entry system. Under this system, we record only one side of information. Next, we will talk about Indian system. So this system basically is very old system. Under this system, books are maintained under the regional language like Murya and Sarafi. So these two type of languages are the mere examples. And so under this system, books are maintained according to the regional language, right? And books are called Bahis. And the last is double entry system. Actually, double entry system was developed by the Franciscan monk of Italy named Luca Pacioli. Actually, under this, two sides of every transaction is recorded. Every debit side is equal to credit side. Every debit amount is equal to credit side. So, under this, two sides of every transaction is recorded. Student, I think you understand well what the accounting mechanism, and next video we will see the double entry system. Thank you.